I think the major challenge was when I decided to pursue art as a career. Who will employ you? Utaandikwa wapi kazi? Even children in my extended family, they say when they grow up they want to be artists like Msali.
My legacy is to make people change how they feel when they look at art.
Man, every piece has an emotional reward, bana. I usually say the opposite of depression is creation.
Oh, after doing my work, I feel happy, man. What?
For me, the emotions that come with that are always welcome because I feel like they're the most honest critique I can get from my work. Like, that's why I love graffiti, because there are no middlemen, there are no curators, it's just the audience and my art. So for me, I welcome all kinds of emotions, those who want to learn, those who have questions, those who are just confused about what it is you're doing. For me, it's like, I appreciate it, man, because it means like my artwork is now doing its work. It's making some gears move inside their brains. I want to be remembered like that artist that changed the street art and graffiti scene in East Africa.
Now you have a whole stadium wall you have to finish, challenge solved.
How we deal with challenges?
Used not to be able to afford buying spray paint or paint. Now we get commissions. Yeah, challenge solved. When you paint, you create a crowd. Main challenge right now is me challenging myself to do more graffiti. Yeah. It creates a vibe. It's not just a boring working environment. I love to paint to make people feel good. Not just to paint, to create. Because, for example, right now my daughter is creating animation and like miniature sculptures. And it just makes you feel good, you know, to change that feeling. Like, if art is therapeutic, that's it. That's all you need.